Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make ice cream thicker. To achieve a wonderfully thick and creamy ice cream, start by increasing your fat content. Using more heavy cream, or even a combination of heavy cream and mascarpone, can significantly improve the texture. Another excellent method involves incorporating egg yolks into your base to create a custard. This adds richness and helps prevent ice crystal formation, resulting in a smoother, denser product. Adjusting your liquid to solid ratio is also key. Certain ingredients are your best friends for thicker ice cream. Heavy cream, with its high fat percentage, is fundamental. Aim for a cream with at least 36% fat for optimal results. Egg yolks are another powerful thickener, transforming your base into a rich custard. Typically, 4 to 6 yolks per standard batch work wonders. For an extra boost, a small amount of cornstarch or tapioca starch, about 1 to 2 teaspoons, can provide excellent stability and body. Beyond ingredients, proper technique during churning and freezing is crucial. Always ensure your ice cream machine's bowl is frozen solid, ideally for a full 24 hours, to maximize chilling efficiency. Churn your mixture until it resembles soft-serve ice cream, which usually takes around 20 minutes. This ensures proper aeration and initial thickening. After churning, transfer the ice cream to an airtight container and freeze it for at least 4 to 6 hours for a firm, scoopable texture. For those seeking even greater thickness, consider slightly reducing the sugar content in your recipe. Sugar acts as an antifreeze, and less sugar allows the ice cream to freeze firmer. Another advanced technique involves incorporating a tiny pinch of a natural gum, such as xanthan gum, which can dramatically improve texture and prevent ice crystals. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals. Finally, ensure your freezer maintains a consistent temperature of 0 degrees Fahrenheit or colder for optimal firmness.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.